The dedicated automation department of a company has helped us reach new heights in the industry. It has given our products an edge over conventional equipment. Sophisticated automation technology involving sensors and detectors has been incorporated into our products.
In today's modern world, the top target of every plant management or plant ownership is to achieve the safest and maximum production out of their machinery, equipment and devices, as well as to allow more transparency and agility in the flow of information.
Automation lead to faster processing and reduce turnaround times, reduce operation cost, increase the productivity and optimize the performance of equipment.
We have a competent, energetic and young team which includes technicians, trainees and engineers.
We are providing complete instrumentation and automation to operate the machinery in fully automatic mode without any human interference.
After taking approval from the client, we design JB, PLC panel, VFD panel and other accessories for the requirement of projects.
In order to reach those targets, our instrumentation and automation team is doing tremendous work, and one of the major steps it follows is to install good instrumentation and automation in the plant.
After designing, we make material list for procurement and indent all the material through ERP and take follow-up from the purchase department.
When we walk through our modern day plant, we find many sensors, transmitters, control valves, on-off valves, PFDs, motor, etc. This is all nothing but instrumentation.
Software department basically provides the automation solution to the client to run the plant efficiently and cost effectively.
SDL provided automation solution to ensuring maximum efficiency for the smooth running of the plant with maximum safety.
We in SDL always focused on most reliable, cost effective and advanced solution for industrial automation. For this purpose, we used various industrial communication protocols like Profibus, Profinet and Modbus. It is a very reliable and cost effective solution. It reduces the field wiring, panel size and also control room size.
Industrial software automation is a set of technology that uses control system and devices.
Our main strength are we are providing detailed project engineering solution. We are designing PLC system, HMI and SCADA based system, DCS based system.
We also have the 24/7 backend support to the client.
We are selecting instrument as per the requirement. VFD selection we are doing here, and we also doing PLC and VFD panel designing.
We in SDL test all the panels and software in-house so that at the time of commissioning, minimum effort should be taken by the site engineer.
We have a control room here where has specialized team there. We provide the solution to run the plant with a centralized control.
Currently, we are working on a different types of software, that is Rockwell, Schneider Electric, Siemens.
We used to provide all the historical data of plant parameters so the data of any time range can be checked for the purpose quality and fault analysis.
As soon we are intimated by the project team, our team rushed to the site. After meeting with client along with project manager and with proper planning and schedule, we start the work. This work is being taken care by technicians and trainees under the guidance of seniors. After completion of automation erection, our pre-commissioning team is deputed at site who completes the pre-commissioning activities, and further commissioning engineer is deputed at site.
Customer satisfaction is the key of SDD to creating a long-term relationship with our customer. We are retaining our customer by executing the projects within given time frame and support them for the entire life cycle of the plant. We provide trainings to our customer during different steps of project execution which are more helpful for the successful handover of the plant. Also, our team is responsible for after-sale and service activities.
By applying automation or instrumentation, we can get or measure all the parameters so that one can do better analysis for further improvements.